DIY, we are going to turn this old turntable into a wall clock. Hi, okay, so for today's DIY, we are going to turn this old turntable into a wall clock. And we're just going to use a few things. You are going to need your turntable, and this is a really old turntable that I found. You can find old turntables in junk shops for really, really cheap. So first you want to start with your turntable, and of course you want to take out the rubber mat. And then this plate, you want to lift that. Super easy. There you go, it's gone. And you just put it on the side. Now you want to flip it, then we are ready to take it apart. So you want to take a screwdriver and just unscrew everything. You want to get as much of it out as you can, and I'm just going to get the legs off of this. And then you just want to get a flathead, pry this open. And that was super easy. You want to see the inside?
That is the inside.
And then, with the same screwdriver, we're going to take off as much of these parts as possible so that it won't be so heavy. Because if it's really heavy, it'll be hard to hang. So I've hollowed out my turntable, and now I'm just going to leave this rubber mat on, and then I have this other rubber mat that I am also going to glue gun on here. Now, for some of you, if you have a grinder, you can actually remove the magnet of this, and you can grind this out. I'm just going to put this aside and find something else to do with this. So, glue gun the rubber mat onto the turntable. Where's my glue gun? Ah! Glue gun. Glue gun. No! 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 Glue gun. Do you need an extension cord? I need an extension cord. So, I have an extension cord, and we are going to glue gun. Not the extension cord.
You're not gonna glue gun the extension cord.
I have the extension cord for our glue gun because my socket isn't working, so extension cord. I mean glue gun. While we wait for my glue gun to work, we are going to dismantle the clock that I bought for cheap. I'm just going to dismantle this clock. You take out the hands first. I'm taking out the hands this time. Ooh, there, see? Super easy. Ah! Don't drop your stuff. My glue gun is ready. I'm just going to put glue. Now, you can use a lot of other types of glue, you know, boss stick, liquid nails or something like that, but I'm just using glue gun now because that's all I have. And really, when you're DIYing, you work with what you have. If you don't even have a glue gun, all you need is a glue stick and a candle. That's how I used to work before. Then I could afford a glue gun. And then you just place it on just like so. So you just kind of melt that. You can use the nozzle of the glue gun to actually just melt the glue. And then you can just continue to reinforce your glue gun onto it. So see, this is super easy, and you want to put your weight on it. Ta-da! Cool. And then you want to flip your turntable, and then you're gonna attach with my clock. And then I'm just gonna glue gun over this clock. And then you just wanna put that through the hole. Okay, and then you just kind of press that in. And then you get these little hands of time, and then you're just gonna put it on your clock. So the small hand goes first, then the big hand, depending on how your clock is, but just gonna support it in the back. You're gonna get your long ticking hand and press it there. Ta-da! And cool, you have your turntable clock. That's so cool! It's so cool. And look, you can stick. I haven't had time to buy a piece of vinyl. You can put that on top of the rubber mat too. You can do that! Or not. And this is what it is in there. You just have to put on batteries. And not forget to buy batteries, because I forgot to buy batteries. Okay, that was our how to turn a regular clock in. And that was how to turn a turntable into a clock using a really old turntable and any cheap old clock that you can find in the department store or in your cheap 99 peso store. Alright. I will see you for more DIY. Bye!